America's best-selling car over the last 5 decades, the all-new 2023 Honda Accord will re-energize the midsize sedan segment with an elegant and sophisticated design, and an available advanced hybrid electric system that's more responsive for a sporty, exhilarating driving experience. The new 2023 Accord is longer and sleeker with premium proportions and a broad stance, further advancing the new Honda design direction with a low horizontal belt line and a long, powerful front end. America's most popular sedan backs up its sleek new looks with more confident and refined dynamics, improved responsiveness, and a more fun-to-drive personality. Accord will be available in 6 trim levels, starting with the turbocharged LX and X and topped by the hybrid-powered Sport, XL, Sport L and Touring. With 247 pounds-foot of torque from Honda's new 4th-generation 2-motor hybrid system, the 2023 Accord hybrids are the most powerful ever. Accord hybrid models feature an all-new, more powerful 4th-generation 2-motor hybrid electric system with a pair of electric motors that are now mounted side by side and an all-new 2-liter Atkinson Cycle 4-cylinder engine that adds direct fuel injection. This new configuration allows for the use of a larger propulsion motor with increased torque output. Combined system output is 204 horsepower, while traction motor peak torque is 247 pounds-foot of torque. Accord also features an updated Honda sensing suite of safety and driver assistive technologies enabled by a new camera with a wider 90-degree field of view and wide-angle radar with a 120-degree field of view. This wide angle improves collision prevention performance via improved ability to recognize attributes of objects, such as vehicles or pedestrians, as well as white lines, road boundaries like curbs, other vehicles, pedestrians, bicyclists, motorcycles, and road signs. The wide angle also enables expanded control range for Accord at intersections. The 2023 Accord is capable of over-the-air updates for nearly all of its computer systems. New for the range-topping Accord Touring is Google built-in, which includes a range of Google apps that can be voice-controlled with Google Assistant. At launch, the 2023 Accord will be offered in 6 trim levels. LX is the entry point, with X being the only other non-hybrid trim. Sport, XL, Sport L, and Touring are all hybrids. Pricing will be revealed closer to the new Accord's on-sale date. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.